Hello friends, how are you all doing today? Today is day 14th of the 30 days online video challenge. Today I'm going to talk on the 10 steps to become successful. Hey, how are you? How are you people? How was your day? Did you have a nice day? Did you enjoy your day today? I hope you really did. So today I'm going to talk about the 10 steps that will make you to become successful. And the 10 steps I'm going to talk about is, first of all, you need to set your goals. And then when talking about setting our goals, what do we do? If we want to set our goals, what do we do? Anyway, like I've said in my other videos, I don't know the goals that you have set for yourself, this year, and you think that it's already March and you've not achieved your goals and you think of giving up. Never you give up. There are two things I said that each time you watch my video, there are two things you must take home, and that is believe in yourself. Because if you believe in yourself that you are going to do it, and you have self-confidence, with your self-confidence and the belief that you have in yourself, you work towards it, you will definitely achieve your goals. Maybe your goal this year is to change your career. Maybe your goal, is to start a new job. Maybe your goal is you set out to lose weight. Whatever your goals are, if you haven't achieved it and it's March, never think of giving up. People who give up halfway, they never become successful, because winners never quit and quitters never win. So I just want you to know this. No matter whatever goals you have set for yourself and you have not achieved it, do not give up. Do not give up. Believe in yourself that you are going to achieve it, and definitely you will achieve it. My name is Unyime Rosemary Ehiemwa, streaming live from Ontario, Canada, and I'm participating in an online video challenge, which is 30 days challenge. Today is the 14th day of the 30 days video challenge. And we are required to make presentation to our friends, you my friends, any presentation of our choice to our friends, So today my presentation is going to be on the 10 steps to become successful. From time to time, I will be looking at my jottings, so I make some notes down, so I might be looking at my jottings, so don't be discouraged. So like I said, I'm going to talk about the 10 steps, to become successful. Step 1 is set your goals. You have to set clear and defined goals. And when I say clear and defined goals, I don't know the goals that you have set for yourself this year. Maybe personal goals, maybe financial goals, maybe family goals or business goals that you've set to achieve. It's never too late to achieve your goals. So first of all, to become a successful person, the very first step is set out a clearly defined goal and achievable goals. Then after you have set up those goals, you have to be serious about being successful in attaining those goals that you have set for yourself. So but before I go into the second step of being of committing yourself, first of all, what are goals? There are different definitions of goals. One of the dictionary definitions of goals is that goals is the result, achievement towards which your effort is directed. In other words, if you have set up goals for yourself and you want to achieve it, you have to put in some efforts in order to achieve your goals. And another definition is that it is the terminal point in a race. When people are running, people are in a race. You know, there's a goal they have, the terminal point where they intend to achieve, you know, that is their goal. So people set a lot of goals, and then you have to focus on those goals in order to achieve it. So like in every aspect of your life, you need to set out goals, and you have to have a specific goals with a direction. There are different types of goals that you can have. You can have a short-term, very short-term goal. You can have a mid-term goal. You can have a long-term goal, depending on what you plan to achieve. And I will tell you that if you want to achieve your goals, you need to write them out clearly. Take a piece of paper, you know, or a jotter, write out your goals clearly. You know, that's define your goals. Write it out clearly, and you take the points. You'll be seeing the points, you know, on a paper, or whether it's wall, whatever, calendar, wherever you have written it. You take it one by one, and then any goal that you achieve, you know, you have to score yourself. So write out the goals, you know, maybe in a sentence, or, you know, so that you can easily understand it. Like if it's a mid-term goal, maybe 3 to 5 years goals, or maybe it's a long-term goal, maybe 12 years, 10 years. I don't know what goals that you have set for yourself. Maybe in the next 12 months, you know, you intend to achieve some things. So you have to be clear on really what you want to achieve, you know. So it is important that when you are developing, you know, your goals or visions, you know, that they are clearly written out. You know, that's your goals and aspirations. They are clearly written out, and your targets, you know your targets that you are planning to achieve. So I want you to write that, you know, and know that. So you have to have a clear and defined goal. You see the way I'm stressing on these goals. If you have to be successful in whatever you are doing, you need to set goals for yourself. So that is step 1, because I said I'm going to name 10 steps. And the very second one is, if you have set out some goals, you have to seriously commit to achieving those goals. You have to commit to achieving those goals. That's, you put your goals, like I said, you put your goals in writing, you know, and then you can also tell other people about it. This is my goal, you know, this is what I've decided to do, you know, and let people, you know, you find a method depending on whatever area that you want to achieve your goals. You can find a method, you know, somebody you can confide in, and that person will help you to achieve your goals, you know, at least. Because when you put it in writing and then you tell others about it, it means that you are serious, you know. So what I'm going to say is that number 3, you put together a winning, you have to put together a winning game plan to achieve your goals, you know. So you have to have a plan towards achieving your goals. And then each goal, maybe you have outlined 3 or 4 goals. So the number 4 is that you have to give yourself a score. Each goal that you achieve, you know, you give yourself a score. You have to track your results. Then you know where you stand in terms of achieving your goals all the time. You have to know where you stand in terms of, that means there is need to constantly review yourself, the goals that you have set out for yourself. And then you know, you need to develop a strategy that you will use to achieve those goals. Like, you need to be proactive, you know, review your strategy. If you are successful, then you can stay in those goals that you have set for yourself. But if you see that those goals that you have set for yourself, the strategy you are using is not yielding good results, then you need to review it and change your strategies, you know. And if you have set goal for yourself, you need to be professional about achieving those goals, you know. You have to look sharp. You have to feel sharp, you know. If you are ready for success, you have to dress for success. Because if you have to be successful, you know what I mean. If you want to be successful, you have to get ready for success. You know, because to be successful is not a day's job. You have to work towards your dreams, your aspiration. You have to put in all your efforts, and in that way then you can become successful. So like I said, you have to set an achievable goal for yourself, and you also need to find a method in that field. So when I say finding a mentor, you know, your mentor, it could be someone who knows your goals and can provide you support when you need it. That is why I said that if you have, you know, if you set up your goals, in order to achieve it, you need to confide, you know, in someone about it, someone that will be useful. Because some people will not see your goals, the importance of your goals, and they might discourage you. But if you are serious, never you give up. Don't be discouraged. Then you have to write the quality, you know, like, I don't know, like if it's a business, write quality business. That is the business that stays, is the business that pays. You know, that is depending on the business, that if it's a business that you are planning to do, and then the goals, if you see that you are applying some strategy and it's not working, you are not achieving anything, you have to review yourself and then change those strategies. You know, you have to change those strategies. And then, you know, in order to achieve any particular goals, so you will see that there are some materials, you know, you have to make research in that field. You have to make research, and also, you know, you stay focused. You find materials, you know, you read about your goals, you find a lot of information, you do research on it, you know, on what you have planned to achieve. And then after you have carried out your research, you know, you find tools that are going to enable you to achieve your goals. Those things are very important, because if you want to be successful in anything you do, in your career, in your business, in your family life, in your personal life, you know, to be successful is not an easy thing. You have to commit to your goals and set out to achieve it. And that is why you need to stay educated, and you have to continually review your goals. And then the last point I want to leave with you is what they call the 4 P's. You know what? 4 P's. Sorry about that. Okay. And that is, you have to be positive, you have to be patient, you have to be persistent, and you have to be passionate. In order for you to be able, you know, to achieve your goals, you have to be persistent, and you have to be consistently persistent. And then you have to be patient, because Rome was not, if you see all my videos, I've always said that Rome was not built in a day. You know, Rome was not built in a day. So it's gradually, then you get there. You know, you have to be patient, you have to be positive, you have to be persistent, and you have to be passionate about what you are doing. So let me just outline the steps again. You know, there are 10 major steps that you must take in order to be successful. First, you set out your goals. 2, seriously commit to achieving these goals. And 3, put together a winning game plan that will help you to achieve those goals. And then 4, you have to keep scores. That you have to be scoring yourself, you know, to find out like what you have achieved, where you need to improve, and you know how you need to move forward. Then you have to be proactive. That is, you have to continuously review your goals. And then you have to, number 5, you have to be professional about it. And then number 7, you have to find a mentor. And number 8, you have to write quality, you know, business, you know. And number 9, you have to stay educated. And then number 10, that is the fourth piece, which I said, you have to be positive, you have to be patient, you have to be persistent, and you have to be passionate, you know, about what you need to do. So remember, to be successful is not easy. To become successful is not easy. You need, you know, to be serious, and you need to set up achievable goals. That is it. So today I just wanted to give you a short presentation on the 10 steps to become successful in whatever you are doing. So I really want to say thank you all for being there, for, you know, encouraging me through this challenge, you know, and I hope that you will take 1 or 2 things home. So if you are watching me live, you have to type hi, and then you tell me where you are watching from. If you are watching the replay, you type replay. You type replay and leave your comment below. So if you have any suggestions, you know, you can always put your suggestions, any comments, you can put your comment below, you know, and I will definitely get back to you. So there are 2 things I said you must take home each time you watch my video, and that is, you must believe in yourself, and then you have to have your self-confidence to guide you. Those 2 elements, they are very important, because if you do not have self-confidence, I'm telling you that, you know, you might just not achieve your dreams. You might not achieve your goals. You might not achieve your aspirations, because there are going to be some negative people, you know, that will always dissuade you, that will not believe in your goals, that will not believe in you. That is why you need to believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself that you are going to achieve those goals, and you have your self-confidence, by God's grace, you will definitely get there. And like I've said in my past videos, you know, a lot of people, you know, set out to do different things, you know, but one of my goals is to encourage people, you know, to be the best that they can be, and never to give up on themselves, and never to give up on their dream. That no matter situation you find yourself, never give up on your dreams. That is what I've set out to do. And like I said before in my other videos, that, you know, when I was in Africa, my goals there was, you know, to encourage people to be productive, you know, to be self-dependent, not to be independent, you know, so that you will be able to be strong for yourself and your family. And that is why right now what I'm also doing with my team is encouraging young talents, you know, young talents to believe in themselves, and that they will be able, you know, to achieve their goals. Encouraging people to believe in themselves, you know. So that is why we set up this program, Business Expo and Talent Show, which is taking place this year in October 12, 2019 in London, Ontario, Canada. Wherever you are, you can go to Eventbrite, you know, and book a date with us. You are going to enjoy your time with us. You are going to be inspired, you know. And if you are a business owner, you have businesses that, you know, you feel like, oh, you want to tell people about what you are doing, why not? Join us. You know, you have opportunity to bless someone. You have opportunity to employ someone. Why not? Join us. You know, be positive. Whatever you are doing, be positive. Never have a never be negative. Set out to be a blessing to someone. It's not a good thing, you know, when you become selfish, when you become self-centered. It's never a good thing. Set out to be a blessing to some other person, you know. So anyway, that is all I want to say. So set out to be a blessing, you know, to someone today, and you will be definitely be blessed. So like I said, anytime you watch me, there are two things that you must take home. Believe in yourself. Have self-confidence. And never you give up on your dreams. Your miracle is on the way. Never you give up on your dreams. Your miracle is on the way. With that, I say, enjoy your day, enjoy your evening, wherever you are watching me from, anytime you are watching me. Bye.